ए मोबाईल साहेब हो दादा
ए बैठ जाओ भाई बैठ जाओ सर जी बैठ जाओ सर जी
back here, not in this one. The original one, 4 years after the original. No, no, fine. We did.
ये पानी ले आई मस्त शूट करने क्यों शूट कर रहे हैं अभी वजह से मेरी भी बात कर रही थी
तू तो बोला मैं नौ सब करने का करके
वाला शॉट उड़ा देना आगे वाला मेरे ऑफिस में
And I lead the initiative, the Dharavi project, where music is a healer and hip hop is a movement. We discover talent here, we nurture them, we mentor hip hop talent over here at this school. It's an after school of hip hop. So we run this school in the evening and it is free for all the students, whoever wants to contribute towards hip hop as a movement. The Dharavi project is an initiative, it's a dream project led by A.R. Rahman sir, Shekhar Kapoor, Sameer Bangara, Devraj Sanyal. They both are like my mentors as well. So with their support, it's taken 4 years to be where we are today. A lot of struggles, of course, but that is what hip hop is all about. So it's going to be an exciting experience and a moment that we're creating here, especially with the legends coming to our after school of hip hop and to their after school of hip hop as well. So I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm going to introduce Nirmika, and I have a small introduction for her. Nirmika Singh is a noted music critic, writer and the executive editor of Rolling Stone India, the Indian edition of the world's great music magazine. Nirmika, over to you.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Dharavi. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So say good morning. Well, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Mausam bhi mehirban hai. Sun is shining, and we really couldn't have asked for a better start to this week. Dosto, we are here today for a very special occasion. We are here to celebrate a landmark project. A cinematic and a musical masterpiece that saw the coming together of some of the world's finest creative minds. On behalf of Mr. A.R. Rahman, I welcome you all once again to this musical tribute on the 10th anniversary of Slumdog Millionaire's Oscar win. A big round of applause for that big treat. Now in Slumdog Millionaire, the director Danny Boyle told an extraordinary story. A very extraordinary story of 3 ordinary characters, 3 children. Now that story went on to become a compelling and a very poignant tale that became the tale of India. The incredible and the invincible India. और ये कहना बिल्कुल भी गलत नहीं होगा कि उस कहानी की जान उसका संगीत रहा है. The beautiful soundtrack composed by Mr. Rahman, और जो anthem है जय हो, it went on to win 2 Grammys, 2 Oscars, several awards and accolades. While it signified a creative triumph for the artists, the whole project, this place turns into a beautiful haven, a beautiful oasis where kids are able to express themselves freely. Here, under a holistic mentorship that puts community building in focus, children learn b-boying, rapping, graffiti, and all the skills that celebrate the diversity of this community. So on that note, I would really like to invite the kids of the Dharavi project and a special person, and Dhwani Bhanushali, to present a tribute to Jai Ho.
है ध्यान से सुन ए जीव ये धरती जो है माँ एक युद्ध का मैदान है तेरे पास ज्ञान है माने है सम्मान है अभिमान है इस वक्त का प्रमाण है तुम कर रहा बार बार दुश्मनों की चीर फाड़ भेद दे तू चक्रव्यूह मौत का तू संहार ये विचार शिष्टाचार उच्च रख तू व्यवहार देख अपना मांग तू प्राण का तू कर व्यापार जाने ये दुखों के दिन होने हैं जान होने जो खास करने हैं वार वारों को झेल कर तू बताश उठाने की ना है इंसानों की ये दुनिया है अनजानों सी make some noise thank you so much
Thank you. That was a great performance. Together for a very, very special conversation between two very special people. और मैं ये भी बताना चाहूँगी कि अभी जो आप देखेंगे मंच पर और सुनेंगे वो पहले कभी भी देखा और सुना हुआ नहीं है. Well, ever since Slumdog Millionaire released, a lot of things changed for Mr. Rahman. For his family, his close circle of friends. It brought him global attention, but it also brought him a lot of responsibilities. And apart from Mrs. Rahman, Mr. Rahman calls his rock. There were 3 other people who witnessed how Mr. Rahman went from being India's pride to a global ambassador of Indian music, Indian contemporary culture. Khatija, Rahima, and his son Amin. So today we're going to be witnessing a rare sneak peek into Mr. A.R. Rahman, the dad. आप सबने रहमान साहब के बारे में और उनके म्यूजिक के बारे में सुना है. We all know, we are very well acquainted with Rahman ji the maestro. But today, thanks to Khatija, we're going to be getting a rare glimpse into Mr. Rahman, the dad. So उसके लिए I would like to invite Khatija on stage. Thank you, Khatija. Well, Khatija is all of 23 and she spearheads the outreach programs at the A.R. Rahman Foundation. Khatija has also been involved in projects that support Tamil poetry and literature. And we're so happy, Khatija, that you're here today. And we're so happy to be having you converse with your dad. And over to you now.
I would like Daddy to come on stage now. Okay, this is so awkward. This has never happened. It's really good that we are having a conversation on stage. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you, ma'am. Look at the place we are. It's one of the most special places in the world, I would say, because, like Devika put, there's so much of love, so much of humanity, and so much going on in this place. And this was the most unique thing about Slumdog Millionaire, and the whole world witnessed that. So I'm so happy to come back here, where it was the central point of success, I would say, for Slumdog Millionaire. Being here is so important and iconic for us.
Thank you. So yeah, today I'm supposed to interview you, but I thought I'd slightly change the format. So, with all due respect and humility, the world sees you for your awards and accomplishments. But for me, I think the most important thing that you've done as a father is the values you've taught us. So, what I want to say is that your humility matters the most for me. Not an atom of your character has changed ever since you won the Oscars. 10 years back and now you're still the same. It's just that maybe the time you've spent with us has reduced. But I think you're making it up now by taking us on short trips.
So one more thing which I want to say is I'm deeply inspired by your generosity. Although we do a lot of initiatives through the foundation, there are a lot of things which you do which you don't tell us, and I come to know through third person that, oh, your dad's done this, and I'm like, okay, I didn't know. So what you give in your right hand, your left hand doesn't know, and I think you're the perfect example for that. I think this is something which I value my father for the most than the awards or anything which he has got. And the third thing is your sensitivity and your respect towards people. You don't value people for their background or anything. It's the character which matters and the work which they do. So this important thing which I learned is pay the laborer his wages before his sweat dries. So this is something which my father follows. I'm so proud to say that. He follows the Prophet peace be upon him. So I think this is something which I'm deeply inspired than all the awards or anything which he has won. And what advice would you like to give us in future? Because all three of us are starting our careers. So if you could tell us, that would be really great. And for the rest of the people to take back home today.
I don't know. Actually, I thought you were going to ask me a question. I don't give advices. I think when you grow up, when all three of you grew up, I made sure that I teach you all the things I learned when I grew up, what my mom taught me. And now you need to follow your heart or your instincts and pray to God and He will guide you. And your heart is the best thing, your conscience is the best thing which can guide you.
Thank you so much. So one last thing. This could be a little awkward. So 10 years back, exactly 10 years back from now, what happened was we were video calling my dad and he was getting ready for the Oscars. So I told him, don't come back home without the award. But then it got misinterpreted. He thought I didn't want him to come back home. But what I meant was he's surely going to win the award and he's surely going to come back home. So are you offended by that? Because I didn't confront you after that.
No, it was fine because I was anyway in a daze that time.
Okay.
But I was thinking, why is this girl so cruel to me?
No.
But now I understood. Thank you for the clarification.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you, Khadija, for that beautiful conversation. Thank you so much, sir. And, I think this was the highlight for all of us today because all of us have seen you, on these big stages, but to have you share the stage with your daughter, I think it's such a heartwarming, such a beautiful experience. Thank you, Khadija, and I wish you all the very best in all your social and musical endeavors. Thank you so much. Sir, I'd like you to stay on stage. अगर Slumdog Millionaire का म्यूजिक उसकी जान रहा तो मुझे लगता है कि उसके साउंड ट्रैक में गाना था जो उसकी जान और उसकी शान रहा। तो एक ऐसा गाना था जिसको केवल भारत में ही नहीं लेकिन पूरे विश्व ने जोर से गाया। जय हो। So with that I would like to invite on stage one of India's most loved, most precious poets, गुलजार साहब, मैं आपका आमंत्रण दूंगी। Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Yes. इसके बाद, I think there was somebody in Slumdog Millionaire who played this magnificent game show host, and he is not just one of India's finest actors, somebody that we all love. मतलब, if I were to describe Mr. Kapoor, I would just call him my Chahita superstar. Anil ji, please आइए मंच पर हमारे साथ। It's such a big honor. Thank you. Thank you so much. We can take a seat. Mr. Rahman, Gulzar Saab and Anil ji, today we are celebrating a project. We're celebrating a project which not only caught the pulse of India, but it also changed the way the international creative community looked at us and perceived us. And Rahman sir, you've always said that a great collaboration is like magic. You don't know how it happens, कैसे होता है कुछ नहीं पता चलता, लेकिन जब होता है तो पता चल जाता है. And I think that the soundtrack of Slumdog Millionaire and the entire project, the actors and all the creative minds that came together for the project worked like magic. And sir, what would you have to say to that, Rahman sir?
I think we were really lucky. I was lucky to get amazing team. Within those 3 weeks I had to finish the soundtrack. And I got Gulzar Saab, I got Supinder, I got Suzanne, I got Mahalakshmi, Vijay, Prakash. And so this whole team, Albaji, and everybody understood the urgency. And I was working through Skype and was getting vocals, on the internet. I was trying to supervise them. And Danny was very understanding. So it all seemed like a dream. I can't even believe that 10 years have gone by. The magic of Gulzar Saab, whatever he touches turns gold.
बहुत से रास्ते मेरे पैरों से हट गए. ये कल की बात थी, 10 साल कट गए. बहुत बहुत खुशी होती है. मैं आपकी दूसरी वाली ज़बान में बात हूँ, हिंदी में. क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. रहमान की हिंदी आई हैव सीन उस ज़माने से जब एक कोंपल लगी थी और फूट के अब ये बढ़ती बढ़ती फूल पौधा हो चुकी है. I'm so happy to be here with you. धरावी जैसी जगह. मुबारक हो रहमान को, रहमान के साथियों को और बहुत सारे जो टैलेंट सामने संगीत साहब ये बैठे हुए हैं जिनकी वजह से ये स्कूल शुरू हुआ है. And congratulations to all the students who have performed here. They have performed so well.
Amazing, amazing.
It is inspiring for Rahman to work out another Jai Ho with these students this time. कहते हैं स्कूल में दाखिल होते हैं, जब जाते हैं तो वहाँ सिखाते हैं और मैं सीखने ही के लिए आया, पर यहाँ आके सवालों के जवाब देने पड़ेंगे ये नहीं मालूम था मुझे. धरावी यहाँ पहले भी आया हूँ, किसी ज़माने में आया हूँ और जय हो के साथ आते हुए कुछ और ही बात हुई. मैं मीडिया में अक्सर कहता रहा हूँ, लेकिन रहमान का शुक्रिया उनके सामने कभी नहीं कहा. आज कह देना चाहता हूँ कि उनकी वजह से मैं भी ऑस्कर वाला हो गया.
गुलजार साहब, हमारा बहुत ही बड़ा सौभाग्य है कि आप हैं हमारे साथ आज. और वही जो मैंने बात करी कोलैबोरेशन, सबके सहयोग से, सबकी क्रिएटिव कंट्रीब्यूशन से स्लमडॉग मिलियनेयर जो है वो आज बना है और उसी को हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आप
एक बस मुजरिम हूँ मैं एक बात का कि मैं मुझसे गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं जिंदगी में. मैं अमीन के साथ काम करना चाहता था और काम नहीं.
Mr. Supinder, please come to
Can we have a big round of applause for the man without whom Jai Ho the song wouldn't have sounded the way it did. The man with a celestial voice, Sukhvinder ji, बहुत 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 धन्यवाद. And thank you for joining us. Anuji, it wouldn't be wrong to say that as a cinematic gem, Slumdog Millionaire, by showing you know that glimpse of India and carried all the Indias. जैसे भारत में एक भारत है, कई भारत हैं और वो मूवी ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से दर्शाया. And I think that and the fact that you played this person, this pivotal role of Prem Kumar, how was it as an actor for you to in a way also tell the story of India? आप गेम शो में तो थे और आप जो protagonist से सवाल कर रहे थे. But how was it for you? Did you ever think that this project would go on to become what it did?
Good afternoon, friends. And first of all, I want to thank Rahman Sir for inviting me. For me, I don't know how you control your tears. I to get very emotional. We all have daughters. So when your daughter was interviewing you, I was just wondering. I said, how is he going to answer? Because she's asking these questions. तो मैं तो पहले ताजुब था ये कैसे आंसर करेंगे. मैं तो रो पड़ता.
I was worried that she's going to ask me something which like, is she so sharp? I was worried. But not only something.
Yeah. But it was wonderful to come here and wonderful to see both of you all on stage. It was a very beautiful moment for me. And with Gujab Saab sitting here, Sukhwinder and all of you all, it's a great, great honor for me to be here on the stage and watching all the performances. As Gujab Saab said, it was fantastic actually. So coming to your question, you see the thing is, Prem Kumar, I played the kind of an antagonist, but I could identify with both. I could identify with Dev's characters as well as I've been to these skyscrapers and the beautiful homes over here of the, to the poorest to the richest. So somewhere I was somewhere it was very ingrained. So I could identify with both, and so it was not very difficult for me to, when the film was offered to me. The only thing difficult part was playing the host, and the technicalities of being a host. Like you're there sitting in the chair, you're looking at the computer, you're asking questions, you're reacting to the people over there who give you all the information, reacting to the people who are watching the show and the audience which is there. So these kind of things was the technical part of it. So that was the difficult part, not the emotional part. The technique was the difficult part of it. You see, emotion, obviously, I've gone through all the emotion in my career, from rap to riches. I've seen the middle class, the poor, the rich, everything absolutely. That's there. So that someone, great director like Danny comes, great writing of Samin, and the unbelievable music of Rahman Saab and Gulzar Saab and all these things, as they say, it's all collaborative effort. So my little effort was getting the technicalities right. And rest I kept, I was just there and I was fortunate to be a small part of this magnificent film called Slumdog Millionaire.
Do you remember the Golden Globes?
Yes.
So I was sitting next to him, and by the time I said, I'm really thirsty, and he was so kind enough, I said, I'm going to get you a Sprite. So by the time he went and got it, I got the
I never forgive him. I'm waiting for him to, to see, the Indian Rahman Saab going on stage, and he's not very thirsty, so मैं बोला मैं आपके लिए लेके आता हूँ. So by the time I went, मैं वहाँ गया, बाहर पे इतना crowd था, और मैं drink लेके गया, तो by the time you've taken the award, I said I missed it. But don't worry, then I was there for the Oscar, which was the cherry of the cake. And damn, I saw, minutely, absolutely minutely, and you don't know how I felt when he went on stage and the song was played over there. I wish I could broken the protocol and started dancing in the aisles of that theater. Someone had to really, I had to control myself.
I think it's so nice that Sukhinder's here. Sukhinder's a little upset with me because I called him when the nominations were announced. I said, Sukhinder and so many I called. I said, they're going to go. And due to various logistics and other things there, we couldn't communicate again. And they cancelled the performance. They brought it back again. Then again they said they cancelled it. So it was a pretty volatile situation there. And so I hope that we do another song, Sukhinder, and then we go back again with you. God willing, inshallah.
थैंक यू सुखविंदर जी, आप आए हमारे समक्ष और आपसे कोई भी प्रश्न पूछने से पहले हम सबकी गुजारिश है कि आप नहीं नहीं, अब ऐसे तो हो नहीं सकता कि आप हैं जय हो की बात कर रहे हैं, बच्चे डांस कर रहे हैं और आप ना गाएं।
जब गाओगे अच्छा सुर लगाते हो ये हम सबको मालूम है। थोड़ा सा तो सबके सामने
जय हो की बात कर रहे हैं, एक ऐसा एंथम है जिसको सिर्फ भारत ने ही नहीं पूरे विश्व ने सराहा है। और अगर आप
एक डॉक्टर की और एक गायक की बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है। If doctor go to any party, everybody show them bill खराब है, please check bill. And if any singer go to any occasion, पाजी
डॉक्टर they do that?
हाँ ये होता है, ये शायरों के साथ भी होता है।
I run away from doctors.
अच्छा हुआ कि हमने मुजरा नहीं सीखा, वरना लोग कहते हैं थोड़ा सा मुजरा वो दिखा दीजिए।
और हम लोग हैं ना सर मुजरा करने वाले।
एक चीज करते हैं, फिर थोड़ी जुगलबंदी करते थे। अगर आप जय हो के कुछ पंक्तियां अपने मुंह से हमें सुनाएं, और सुखविंदर जी आप भी, अब गुलजार साहब
ये गाएंगे तो मुझे याद आ जाएंगे। मुझे ये गा दें।
मुझे गुलजार साहब एक बात याद है। आई वाज इन द कार, हम लोग कहीं जा रहे थे, तो गुलजार साहब ने फ़ोन किया। मेरी बात पहले हो चुकी थी और मैंने अनिल जी पेपर पे व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग, एक लाइन जब आई, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने की तले। This was a very new tool because I am very much passionate about poetry. थोड़ा सा लिख भी लेता हूँ, I know that. But आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले, आसमान को ये मतलब इतना ब्यूटीफाई करना, this was a really awesome. और मैं एकदम से रुक गया। मैंने इनको कितनी बार अप्रिशिएट किया, तो ये हंस रहे थे। तो वी एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम हिम समथिंग स्पेशल। आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले, दैट वाज द बेस्ट टाइम। हे आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले है। यस, यू आर राइट। सो जरी वाले. And the way Mr. Rahman composed, very interestingly, the way Mr. Singh sang, by surname I'm Singh. So it was really very good experience. और वो जो चीज़ें जो लिखी है गुलजार साहब ने, वो काला काला काजल तेरा समथिंग, इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं। When I perform on a stage, तो बड़ा charming atmosphere बन जाता है। So I must say thanks to Mr. Rahman and Guldar Sahab. So I got opportunity to perform this song and got award, reward, love, respect, everything.
How beautiful, how beautiful. और हम लोग अवार्ड्स की, एक्कोलेड्स की बातें तो कर रहे हैं, उपलब्धियों की बातें कर रहे हैं, लेकिन I want to personally know from all of you, what do awards actually mean? Rahman sir, I mean it's been celebrated as, you know, the film has been celebrated as heavy.
He refused to come and get the Oscar award. You should ask him, he doesn't even care about it.
अच्छा आप बताइए।
नहीं, मेरे पास तो काला कोट नहीं था, इसलिए नहीं गया।
So I go on
काला कोट, काला ड्रेस पहनना बहुत जरूरी था, और मेरे पास वो था नहीं, तो मैं कैसे जाता, बताइए।
That was the problem.
हाँ, और बाकी ये कि आपने सुना, अभी इससे पहले सुना कि रहमान कहते हैं कि जैसे हिंदी में मुहावरा है कि मेरे पास माँ है, मैं उतने ही फख्र के साथ कहता हूँ मेरे पास रहमान है।
गुलजार साहब फॉर्म में।
It's such a great honor.
But
Back again.
मेरे पास तो आप दोनों ही I'm in a better situation.
अनिल जी आपके पास क्या है?
मेरे पास तीनों है।
The story of Slumdog Millionaire, of course, it's been, you know, described in a very cliche way, rags to riches है. It's also about internal strife, it's also about internal struggle. और मुझे लगता है कि जो असली जंगें जो होती हैं अंदर होती हैं, खुद की जंग होती है, which we need to conquer to become who we have to. While working on the project, what were the internal creative struggles, if you remember any? Which were the creative struggles, the little battles that you all might have gone through? Because we all know when a movie is celebrated, but what were the things that जिनको शायद आपने पहले बताई नहीं हो?
in my case, something I had to. Something told me that this is very special, and I have to do it right. And there's an opportunity to, display whatever we have, to the Western world. And the time to finish the record CD was very less. I had probably 1 week, and I stretched it, and I got a lot of galis from the donors. But something told me that beyond all this, just keep going, just do it well. And there was no A&R, nobody telling me how to do it. It was just my instincts. And I'm grateful to God that I have the courage and the speed which I could deliver. The whole team, everybody's here. I want to thank you all again. Rakib is here, Asad is here, Tanvi is here, all the latecomers. Good afternoon.
अनिल जी, एज एन एक्टर आप बताएं जरा कि वेल वर्किंग, आपने बोला कि एक्टिंग और इमोशन तो बहुत इजी था, बट टू बी अ गेम शो होस्ट दैट वाज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट. और ये बड़ी यूनिक सी बात है जो आपने बोली है कि अगर एक्टर है तो वो भी करना इजी है आपके लिए. बट
so certain technicalities, it's very, because you see your that's not my. उससे पहले मुझे काफ़ी शोज ऑफर हुए थे, मगर मैंने किए नहीं. और जब मुझे रोल मिला तो मैं एक्साइटेड था. मैंने बोला एक्टर के बतौर मैं ये सीख सकता हूँ, अगर आप बोलेंगे मुझे शो करने की तो मैं नहीं कर सकता. तो दिस इज सच अ यूनिक थिंग कि मैंने ना किया शो और 10-15 दिन के बाद ये फिल्म ऑफर हो गई. फिर मैं सिद्धार्थ बासु साहब जो कौन बनेगा करोड़पति डायरेक्ट करते हैं, तो उनसे मैंने बात की और he was very generous enough to give his office, and we created a mock computer and the chair, and then I used to go to his office and quite a few days, and but still I could not really, I felt I'm still not comfortable doing everything, sitting on the chair. तो बैठना भी बड़ा अलग है वो, you have to be comfortable. So वो क्या हुआ कि वो सब मैंने सीख लिया, जॉब कर लिया. और गुलजार साहब आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, कैमरा एक ऐसी चीज़ है जैसे आप होते हैं ना कि लिखने बैठते हैं या कंपोज करने जाते हैं, तो इट इज़ गॉड्स ग्रेस आई कि वो कैमरा ऑन हुआ, तो डैनी साहब ने शॉट लगाया और मेरी एंट्री ली और लोगों ने होता ना कि क्योंकि उस सीन में ऐसा था कि उन्होंने ताली मारी और मुझे चेयर पर बैठना था. वो ऐसा हुआ, पता नहीं क्या हुआ, जैसे ऊपर वाला मेरी मदद कर रहा है. और मैं गया और वहाँ गया और ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बरसों से ये शो में होस्ट कर रहा हूँ.
What a beautiful feeling. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing this. And I think Anil ji, you brought a different charm to the project altogether, and I think that all of us could relate to the magnificence that you bring on camera, the effortlessness that you bring with each and every one of your characters. और ये दिल से हम बोल रहे हैं, and it is for a reason why everyone calls you Chahita superstar. Superstars हो सकते हैं, but to be somebody like you with that beautiful smiling, beaming face, and to give every role your best, I think that takes a different sort of grace and love, and I think you embody all of those things. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
गुलजार साहब, आप बताएं क्रिएटिव स्ट्रगल्स इनसाइड, अगर कुछ थी छोटी मोटी जंगें, और I'm just looking at the other side of when you celebrate a project, maybe some internal strife, maybe some internal creative dilemmas. Were there any? शायद नहीं हो आपके लिए तो.
आप इस प्रोजेक्ट की बात,
हाँ जी, जय हो की बात कर रहे हो.
इस प्रोजेक्ट की मतलब कोई एक ही जगह से आवाज़ आई होती तो अलग बात थी. हम दुनिया के हर एक टेलीविजन से, हर एक रेडियो से आवाज़ हो रही है जय हो, और मैं मुड़ के ढूंढता था रहमान को, इसमें कोई शक नहीं. ये उन्होंने क्या कर दिया भाई, हर तरफ से आवाज़ आ रही है. मुझे तो इस तरह की पहचान हिंदुस्तान में नहीं मिली थी जो पूरे जहान में मिलने लग गई. और यकीन मानिए कि एक अलग ही तजुर्बा था मेरा इस गाने का रहमान के साथ, क्योंकि रहमान के साथ इससे पहले एक और गाना ऐसा था जो सारी दुनिया में बजता रहा, वो छैया छैया. छैया छैया ने अपनी जगह एक तवारीख बना ली, एक इतिहास बना लिया, और उसके बाद ये जय हो आया. लेकिन एक बात जो मैं why I say Rahman, why I say ये क्यों एक डिफरेंट म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर कंपोजर क्यों लगते हैं? अगर आप हिंदी गाने हमेशा से सुनते चले आए हैं तो जो बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, जो मैंने बहुत जगह कही है और लिखी भी है, किताब में भी लिखा है कि उन्होंने हिंदी फिल्म गाने की फॉर्मेट जो होती है ना वो बदल दी।
बिल्कुल सही।
वरना ये था, तय होता था कि एक मुखड़ा होता 2 लाइन का, उसके बाद म्यूजिक आता है, म्यूजिक के बाद फिर एक अंतरा आता है, अंतरे के बाद एक लिंक लाइन जिसे कहते हैं, वो लिंक लाइन के बाद फिर अस्थाई पर आप जाएंगे, फिर उसके बाद फिर म्यूजिक आएगा, फिर दूसरा अंतर आएगा। ये फॉर्मेट कोई सदी भर से, 1 सदी से ज़्यादा हो रहा था। 1 सदी हुई है सिनेमा को, तो 100 साल से ये फॉर्मेट चला आ रहा था। लेकिन आई सॉ समथिंग डिफरेंट हियर कि अस्थाई पे कब वापस आएंगे नहीं मालूम। वो एक बात कह रहे हैं, उस बात का विस्तार कर रहे हैं जो सिर्फ हमारे क्लासिकल म्यूजिक में था कि आपने एक बंदिश दी, उस बंदिश की, उसके बाद उस बंदिश का विस्तार करते हैं क्लासिकल गाने में। गाने वाले बेहतर जानते हैं, मैं तो मौसीकी हूँ बाहर। लेकिन he brought that into the format of Indian film song, जहाँ से वो जैसे ब्लैंक वर्स कहते हैं, उस तरह से वो आज़ाद नज़्म की शक्ल बन गई। And I started enjoying writing a poem with him every time. Every time writing a song with him, I was not on a given format कि इसके बाद मुखड़ा आएगा, इसके बाद अंतरा आएगा, there is no अंतरा to find out with। आप उंगली रख के नहीं कह सकते ये अंतरा है, अंतरा यहाँ से शुरू होता है और मुखड़ा कब आएगा ये उनके हाथ में। वो ऊपर वाला जिससे आप जिक्र करते हैं ना, अक्सर बात करते हैं, वो जानता है या रहमान जानता है। इन लोगों के अलावा किसी को नहीं मालूम कि स्थाई कहाँ से जानता है। एंड आई लव्ड एंड आई स्टिल लव राइटिंग फॉर हिम। अभी जैसे हॉकी एंथम अभी मैंने एक नज़्म की तरह लिखा था, इन्होंने मुखड़ा लिया, उसके बाद अपना फॉर्मेट मुझे भेजा। I transferred all those lines into his arrangement of lines. वो जो मैंने नज़्म लिखी थी, उन नज़्मों से निकाल के टुकड़े निकाल के कोई जोड़ लगा के उसमें अरेंज किया कि ये देखो ये एक नया फॉर्मेट पैदा होगा। That's the beauty. That's the fun of working with him.
कितनी सुंदर सुंदर।
Such a great honor working with him. There is so open-minded. Anybody else would have just scrapped it. Compose a the right format, but he was so open.
आवाज देख लीजिए that song of yours from दिल से मूवी तू भी कहीं कभी आवाज दे कहीं से। And what a format of that song. It's like a reverse poem. So that's the fun, and that is why Rahman is Rahman and Khan is the right songs.
और बिल्कुल गुलजार साहब आपने हॉकी वाले एंथम की बात करी, तो उसमें भी है इंडिया को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं हम। जय हिंद हिंद जय इंडिया, माथे पे विजय की बिंदिया।
माथे पे विजय की बिंदिया, जय हिंद जय इंडिया।
How beautiful, how beautiful. Well, just say it takes a village to raise a child. कोई भी साउंड ट्रैक हो, गाना हो, पिक्चर हो, कुछ भी हो, आई थिंक इट टेक्स द कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट, जो मैंने बार बार कहा है और फिर से बोलूँगी कि ये समारोह ही है to look at how each and every person's creative contribution made it the soundtrack, I would say, of the decade. And yes, so I would like to invite we're gonna invite a lot of people, lot of illustrious people who've been part of the soundtrack. मैं एक-एक करके सबको आमंत्रण दूंगी कि वो हमारे साथ आए मंच पर। सबसे पहले इला जी, very 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 happy that you're here. And all right. Ila ji lent a magnificent voice to Ringa Ringa, and we're so happy, of course. And we have Suzanne de Mello. Suzanne, what a big honor to have you amongst us. Mahalakshmi, can you please also join us? Both of whom are two very, very accomplished, brilliant playback singers. Thank you so much, Suzanne. Thank you so much, Mahalakshmi. Of course, we have the man with the golden voice, Vijay Prakash ji. आइए, बहुत स्वागत है. Tanvi, we also have you on stage, please. Blaze, Shriram, Rakib, सब आ जाइए आप. हमने सोचा था एक लोग जनों के साथ हम लोग. Asad, Anji, please join us on stage. What a beautiful gathering. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you. And Deepak, the person who also shared the Grammy credit. Welcome. I think everyone's here. Alka ji, I think, is not here yet. Who will be joining us very soon? Ladies and gentlemen, how beautiful does this stage look? Can we have a big round of applause for all of these creative music geniuses who make Slumdog Millionaire? I would say the project of the millennium. Rahman ji, सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी to have all of these people be part of this grand project. आपको कैसे लगा just to be working with all of these magnificent people? मतलब the amount of talent per square inch on this stage today is unbelievable, right? जहाँ पैर रखा वहाँ पे talent है. Okay.
So I just want to hear Rakib. He's from Chennai and now he's in Mumbai, and he wrote Ringa Ringa, and he's very fast. Very brother. Asad, you know, this is our best friend. And Deepak worked day and night. Like, those 3 weeks, it was just, he made it possible. And eventually there was no more with us. God bless him. Amisha on the Spanish lyrics, and she's my, whenever I need anything freaky, Spanish, French, theatre, she's the one. Amazing. And Mahalakshmi, of course. Everybody loves Mahalakshmi. Ilaji, thank you so much. Blaze, again, the collaborator. Past 15 years, 20 years, 18 years. Suzanne, again. There were people who were just listening to her voice and said, I want to marry this girl in Hollywood. 3-4 people. Vijay Prakash, thank you.
Thank you so much for coming today.
Sagar, Devraj.
Can we please have Samir Bangara on stage? Samir is the co-founder and the MD at Kuki, and of course Devraj Sanyal from Universal Music India, and Vineet Thakkar. Vineet, can we please have you on stage? And together Samir, Devraj, Vineet run the Dharvi project, which has done some really instrumental work in consolidating the creative community. Samir, over to you.
I just want to say really quickly, thank you so much. The idea of doing this at this venue while we run the school on a daily basis, and Dolly does, and Devraj and I are trustees of the trust that we set up. It's a not-for-profit to run this school, and you saw the amazing work that the children are doing. I think it was Mr. Rahman's idea when we were talking about. He said, I want to do something for the 10th year of Slumdog Millionaire, and I was telling him about an event that we did here last week. He said, let's do it at the school. So the idea was his, so thank you for the germ of that idea. And all of you, thank you so much. The encouragement that this event is going to provide or has provided to the students is going to last us. You came here last in 2015. We want you here more often.
All of you are so amazing. I was stunned actually. This bunch of talent here and what we're actually nurturing here. I'm so proud of this whole thing. God bless you.
Thank you. So we've done some good work, guys. Take a bow. In 4 years, the next time he's here, we've got to set the bar up even higher, and we can have all of you back here again. We look forward to that. Thank you.
I just want to say thank you to AR. I think it's we've had him here after 4 years. Hopefully now we'll have you here a lot more, sir. I think Anil or somebody, or maybe Gulzar Saab, somebody said that maybe it's time for a Jeho with the real kids of Dharavi, written by Gulzar Saab. That would be a dream for all of us, because if we can export that to the world, there is nothing bigger for us, either as Universal, QQ, or as the project. So thank you for being here on behalf of all the kids and the media. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
like to thank all the creative fraternity that has shown up today. Thank you, Darshan. Thank you, Mohit. आप लोग आए, आपने चार चांद लगा दिए, and I think it's so important for all of us to show support and solidarity, especially when the initiative is so sincere and affects children and helps in prospering a creative community. और एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज है जो भी आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे आ रहा है, सब लोग हैं यहाँ पर, तो I think it's such a beautiful moment to celebrate Slumdog Millionaire. तो of course मुँह मीठा करके ही जाएंगे, so give me a moment to let this happen.
Khadija, can I request you to come and join us on the stage, please?
Sagar, can we have you on stage also, please?
And what a great afternoon it's been, Rahman sir. I would like
मोबाइल
to say a few words about how you think this amazing morning has shaped up, and I think we couldn't have asked for a better celebration. Sab log hain, and what a
It feels so real. It feels so real. Thank you for coming. And without you guys, I wouldn't have done it. Definitely. And God bless you. And God bless Danny Boyle, Kristen, Simon, and the whole world for giving us such respect and love. And yeah, let's move on this.
thank you so much. And India, of course, loves you. 3 chairs for Mr. Rahman, and Jai Ho bolte na, 3 Jai Ho. 1, 2, 3, Jai Ho! 1, 2, 3, Jai Ho! Jai Ho! Thank you so much. Thank you. For the panelists, गुजार जी 2 मिनट और इतनी जल्दी नहीं छोड़ेंगे। Yes, अनिल जी, सपिंदर जी आप भी आ जाइए प्लीज। आप नहीं बोलेंगे गाना गाने के लिए, आ जाइए प्लीज फोटो खिंचवाने के लिए।
Come here, stand.
हाँ थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ
मेरे साथ ही आ हाँ जी
सब बहुत मुबारक 10 साल पूरे हो गए। तो भी लोगों का वही प्यार और जब भी सुने बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग, ऐसा लगता है कल ही रिलीज हुई है। तो क्या कहना चाहिए, इतना प्यार 10 साल अभी भी मिल रहे हैं?
बहुत से रास्ते मेरे पैरों से हट गए। कल की बात थी, 10 साल कट गए, 10 साल आ गए। और इस तरह से और अच्छा, इससे ज़्यादा क्या कहें। और बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि उसके बिना पर, उसकी बुनियाद पर, उसकी इंस्पिरेशन से, उसकी वजह से यहाँ एक म्यूज़िक स्कूल की बुनियाद पड़ी है। और मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ रहमान को और उनके बाकी साथियों को। और समीर साहब हैं यहाँ, जिन लोगों ने ये स्कूल बनाया है, और इन बच्चों को, धारावी के बच्चों को
ये म्यूज़िक सिखाया जा रहा है और उसमें से यकीनन बहुत से हीरे निकलेंगे, बहुत से कामयाब लोग मिलेंगे। और यही यहाँ की खूबी है कि आसपास बम्बई भी रहती है, धारावी है जहाँ ज़िंदगी बहती है। ठीक है,
थैंक यू।
हेलो हेलो कैसे हैं?
Manisha, big congratulations. The journey have completed 10 years. The music have contributed very well in the film. So what do you like to say? Still the love is getting.
नहीं मैं यूनिक कभी कुछ फिल्में होती हैं, कुछ संगीत होता है, कुछ ज़रा सब म्यूजिक, कुछ हिंदी में बोलो, अंग्रेजी में बोलो, आपको बोलो चलेगा ना, गुजराती, हिंदी, मराठी, कुछ भी बोलो, मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ, चलो हिंदी में बोलते हैं। तो इस फिल्म को रिलीज़ हुए 10 साल हो गए हैं, मगर कुछ फिल्में होती हैं, कुछ संगीत ऐसा होता है कि लोग याद करते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं इसका म्यूज़िक अभी बचता है। मैं जब भी कोई इवेंट में जाता हूँ, फंक्शन में जाता हूँ, तो जय हो सडनली ऐसा आता है तो एक जोश आ जाता है, एक पावर आ जाता है। आपको डांट पड़ने वाली, आप लेट आए।
अरे मैं क्या करूं?
ये अलका जी हैं, ये अलका जी हैं, इन्होंने भी गाया था स्लमडॉग मिलियनेयर में, ये लेट आई हैं। तो
अरे लेट
अभी
आई,
जाके
जगह मिले तब तो 2 घंटे घूम रही।
मैंने उसलिए बोला रहमान साहब को कि जब भी हो मुझे बुलाओ, मैं बोलूँगा, मैं अलका जी को मैं लेके आऊँगा।
अच्छा, यू नो दिस एरिया वेरी वेल।
कंग्रेचुलेशन,
थैंक यू
प्लीज इन्हें भी कंग्रेचुलेट कीजिए। ये हमारे हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बेहतरीन।
अरे थैंक यू सो मच। और needless to say, Slumdog Millionaire was carried by Anil ji on his shoulders, entire film. Superb.
थैंक यू। हाँ जी, इससे बेटर बाइक नहीं मिल सकता।
अगर हम ऑस्कर की बात करें, इंडिया एक लार्जेस्ट प्रोडक्शन हाउस है, या फिल्म की बात करें सबसे लार्जेस्ट है, बट डिस्पाइट ऑफ दैट हमने कभी ऑस्कर नहीं जीता है। तो क्या कहना चाहिए, क्या कमी है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
अब जीतेंगे ना, अभी फिक्र क्यों कर रहा है? 100% जीतेंगे, इसमें क्या है? सोचने का, हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचने का, मिलेगा, बहुत मिलेगा। हमारी फिल्में दुनिया की सबसे मशहूर फिल्में होंगी, अच्छी फिल्में होंगी और ऑस्कर भी मिलेगा, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? अरे फिर तो अभी आगे देखो।
ओके सर, इसलिए आपकी मूवी तो कैसा रिस्पांस?
ज़बरदस्त रिस्पांस रहा है। एक लड़के को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, इतने अच्छे रिव्यूज़ आप लोगों ने दे दिया, मैं तो उम्मीद ही नहीं कर रहा था। हाँ, थैंक यू। और लोगों को पसंद आ रही है, कुछ लोगों की ज़िंदगियाँ बदल गई हैं फिल्म देखकर, और अभी तो चल रही है फिल्म और चलती रहेगी। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बहुत सारे फिल्में अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ, क्योंकि ये बड़ी इंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है। एक लड़के को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, प्लीज़ जाकर देखिए।
सर, इसके अलावा सर, आपके अलावा
लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
हाँ जी, मैं तो हमेशा, मेरे ख्याल से जब मैं ऊपर भी गया था अपना अवार्ड लेने, तो इरफान साहब थोड़े बेचारे थोड़े से शाय हैं, तो मैंने तो शायद तो मैं चलो इरफान साहब चलिए श्योर मैंने हाँ चलिए जाते हैं स्टेज पर। तो हम हमेशा एंड मुझे याद है उन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी, वो तो पहले से ही काम कर रहे थे, उन्होंने मुझे अच्छे लोगों से मिलवाया एंड एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही इज़ अ ग्रेट एक्टर एंड जय हो।
Silence guys, silence please.
So first of all, big congratulations. The movie have completed 10 years. Especially the music have contributed very well. So what do you like to say? There's still people loving it.
I feel very blessed to have such a great team. So I wanted to celebrate with them. So they all flew in from different places. And there was Gulzar ji, there was Anil ji, Sukhwinder Singh, Neela ji, Alka ji came late I think. So all of them, Blaze and my team, Vijay Prakash, Mahalakshmi, Sriram, Deepak. And I just wanted to thank the school, I wanted to thank QK and Universal Music, because when you see all this talent coming out here, you're nurturing them and the result is fantastic. And it's just promising to see what all we can do with this amazing, power of human beings.
Okay, sir, you have worked in Hollywood and Bollywood both. Despite of Bollywood is the largest production film in our country, but we haven't got any Oscars. What do you like to say about that?
In a way, I felt like after winning all this for Slumdog Millionaire, it opened up many doors for us. It created a global phenomenon. But I think it's a kind of complacency where there's no one effort by everyone together to create some masterpiece again. And we are very satisfied with, okay, this is Tamil cinema, this is Telugu cinema, this is Hindi cinema. We have our audience, that's fine. And I think we need to have a vision and do research and a lot of homework to crack the international market. And it's very easy, it's not a tough game at all.
And so while he was talking about Bollywood and Hollywood, Hollywood is very stringent when it comes to anti-piracy and all. So this time in the budget it was announced that the anti-cam recording that would be taken care of, and also that there would be single window clearance. What do you have to say to this? Because that every artist struggles with piracy and all.
Sorry, I missed that. I need to check that without telling. I don't want to comment about it. I will look into it. So thanks for reminding me.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Mohan, please make